What made Apollo's 1960s guidance systems so accurate? Imagine trying to land on the moon with only the stars and a few instruments to guide you. That's exactly what Apollo astronauts did, and their guidance systems were incredibly precise. So, what made them work so well? Let's find out. First, the main piece was the Apollo guidance computer. It was built at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology and used tiny integrated circuits, which were new back then. This computer could do real-time calculations to help navigate the spacecraft. Even though it had less power than your smartphone, it was reliable and fast enough to keep the mission on track. Astronauts interacted with it through a display and keyboard, called the D-Sky, where they entered commands and received navigation data. Next, the inertial measurement unit was vital. It had gyroscopes and accelerometers that measured how the spacecraft was moving and turning. These sensors tracked every change in direction and speed, allowing the Apollo guidance computer to figure out where the spacecraft was at all times. This system worked even when the spacecraft was out of contact with Earth, like when orbiting the moon's far side. To fix any small errors or drift in the sensors, astronauts used a special tool called a space sextant. This device let them take sightings of stars, Earth, or the moon by aligning to celestial objects through telescopes. They recorded the angles, and the Apollo guidance computer used this information to refine the spacecraft's position and orientation. This manual navigation was essential for maintaining accuracy over long distances. Ground-based tracking also played a big role. Large radar stations and radio systems sent signals to the spacecraft and received responses. By measuring how long it took for signals to return and how their frequency changed, ground stations could determine the spacecraft's speed and distance very precisely. This data was combined with onboard sensors to create a solid navigation network. Training was another key factor. Astronauts practiced using the guidance system many times before launch. They learned how to operate the Apollo guidance computer, perform star sightings with the sextant, and troubleshoot navigation issues. This teamwork between human skill and technology made the system so effective. All these parts, advanced onboard computers, precise sensors, celestial navigation tools, and ground support, worked together seamlessly. This combination made Apollo's guidance system so accurate that they successfully guided astronauts to the moon, landed safely, and returned them home. Their success set the stage for future space missions and exploration efforts.